Hello class, welcome to my class. I'm Miss V. Today, I will teach you a next lesson of Unit 8. It's hard today. Lesson 5 and 6, Skill Time. In this lesson, we will practice the words and grammar we have learned before. Now, look at this. This is lesson 5 and 6. You can open your book, page 58 and 59 to see it clearly. Now, we start session 1, reading. Before we listen, look at the picture, then answer my question. We have 4 pictures about weather here. Now tell me, what's the weather like in picture 1? Good. It's raining. Number 2. What's the weather like? Very good. It's windy. Number 3. What's the weather like? Very good. It's cold. And the last one. What's the weather like? Very good. It's hot or sunny. Now, you will listen and read. You have 2 times to listen the reading test here.
Listening 91. Listen and read.
Here is the weather. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Here is the weather news. It's very cold outside. Wear warm coats and hats. Have a nice morning. Here is the weather at 9 o'clock. It's raining now. Don't forget your umbrellas. Don't get wet. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's sunny and hot now. Put on your sun hats. Have fun in the sun. It's 7 o'clock. It's very windy outside now. It's a good time to fly a kite, but don't let your hats fly away.
Okay, this is the second time to listen.
Listening 91. Listen and read.
Here is the weather. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Here is the weather news. It's very cold outside. Wear warm coats and hats. Have a nice morning. Here is the weather at 9 o'clock. It's raining now. Don't forget your umbrellas. Don't get wet. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's sunny and hot now. Put on your sun hats. Have fun in the sun. It's 7 o'clock. It's very windy outside now. It's a good time to fly a kite, but don't let your hats fly away.
Okay,
Listen.
now this is your work. You will read the reading test again, then match the information about the time here to the picture about the weather here. You have 1 minute to do that. Remember to underline the information in the reading test that help you to have the answer. Okay, time's up. Now let's check the answer. You can see that in number 1 at 6 o'clock, What's the weather like? It's cold. How can we know that? Look at the reading test again. We can see that it's 6 o'clock in the morning and it's very cold outside. Good. Now, next, number 2. At 9 o'clock. What's the weather like? It's raining. How can we know that? Look at the reading test. Here is the weather at 9 o'clock. It's raining now. Very good. So, the answer is C. Number 3. At 2 o'clock. What's the weather like? Good. It's sunny. And the answer is D. How can we know that? In the reading test, you can see it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's sunny and hot now. Very good. And last one, at 7 o'clock, what's the weather like? The answer is A. It's windy. How can we know that? Let's look at the reading test. It's 7 o'clock and it's very windy outside now. Congratulations if you have all the correct answer. Now, we move to lesson 6, page 59. Session 2, listening. You will listen and check the correct picture. We can see that we have 4 days in the week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. In each day, we have 2 kinds of weather. For example, Monday we have in picture A is cold. Picture B is hot. On Wednesday, A, is snowing, is windy. On Friday, in picture A, is sunny. Picture B is raining. And the last one, on Sunday, is cold. And in picture B is raining. You have 2 times to listen, then tick the correct weather of each day. Let's start.
Listening 92. Listen and check the correct picture.
Hello, and here is the weather.
1,
It's Monday. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's a sunny morning.
2,
It's Wednesday at 6 o'clock. The weather is very windy. Be careful.
3,
It's Friday at 6 o'clock. It's raining. Don't forget your umbrellas. Don't get wet.
4,
Sunday morning at 6. Here is the weather. It's cold outside. Keep warm.
Okay, this is the second time to listen.
Listening 92. Listen and check the correct picture.
Hello, and here is the weather.
1,
It's Monday. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's a sunny morning.
2,
It's Wednesday at 6 o'clock. The weather is very windy. Be careful.
3,
It's Friday at 6 o'clock. It's raining. Don't forget your umbrellas. Don't get wet.
4.
Sunday morning at 6. Here is the weather. It's cold outside. Keep warm.
Okay, now listen again to check the answer. You can see that on Monday the answer is B. It's hot. Now let's check again.
Listening 92. Listen and check the correct picture.
Hello, and here is the weather.
1,
It's Monday. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's a sunny morning.
2,
Okay, you can see that on Monday it's sunny and it's at 6 o'clock. Now we move to number 2, Wednesday. How can we hear that?
It's Wednesday at 6 o'clock. The weather is very windy. Be careful.
3,
What can you hear in this? And the answer is B. It's windy. You can hear that. On Wednesday it's windy. Be careful. And the last one.
It's Friday at 6 o'clock. It's raining. Don't forget your umbrellas. Don't get wet.
So the answer is B. On Friday it's raining. Don't forget your umbrella and don't get wet. Okay. And last one, on Sunday. What is the answer?
4,
Sunday morning at 6. Here is the weather. It's cold outside. Keep warm.
And the answer is A. On Sunday it's cold outside. Keep warm. Very good. Now we move to session 3, speaking. In this session, we will practice ask and answer about the weather. Now I will ask and you will answer. Now look at the example number 1. I will ask you, it's Monday. What's the weather like? And you will answer, very good. It's windy. Now we move to number 2. I will ask, it's Tuesday. What's the weather like? Very good. You will answer, it's sunny. Next one. Number 3. It's Wednesday. What's the weather like? And you will answer, good. It's hot. Now we will change role. You will ask and I will answer. Number 4. How can you ask me? Good job. It's Thursday. What's the weather like? And I will answer, it's raining. And the last one. You will ask, good. It's Friday. What's the weather like? And I will answer, it's snowing. Good job. Now we move to the last session, session 4, writing about me. In this session, we will practice to write a sentence with an adjective. But first, I will explain you something about adjectives. You can see that adjectives are describing words. I will give you some examples to make sure that you can understand about adjective meaning. Look at this. What are these? These are bones. Look at the first bone. How is it? Yes, it's big. And look at the second ball. How is it? Good. It's small. I have two sentences. I have a big ball and I have a small ball. Big ball, small ball. Big is an adjective. Small is an adjective too. Number 2. Look at his t-shirt. How is it? Yes, it's dirty. Dirty. And look at her dress. How is it? Good. It's clean. I have two sentences. He has a dirty t-shirt and she has a clean dress. Dirty t-shirt, clean dress. Dirty, clean are adjectives. And the last one is too long. Her hair's too long and her hair too short. We have she has long hair and she has short hair. Long hair, short hair. Long, short are adjectives. Okay, now you will complete the sentence here. It's hot today. I have a coat, blah blah blah. I wear a big, blah blah blah. You will think about the answer in 1 minute. After that, I will give you the suggestion. Now, let's check the answer. This is some suggestion I give you. I have a cold drink and I wear a big jacket. Okay, cold drink, big jacket. Okay, now look again. This exercise. Circle the verbs and underline the adjectives. Circle the verb and underline the adjective. The verb here is wear and big is an adjective. Okay? You have 15 seconds to do that. Okay, let's check the answer. In sentence 1, I have a cold drink. Where is an adjective and where is a verb? Good. Have is a verb and cold is an adjective. And the last sentence. Where is a verb and big is an adjective. Very good. Okay. Before I finish my lesson today, I will give you some homework to do at home. First, you will learn by heart all words of Unit 8. Second, learn by heart the grammar of this unit. And the last thing, do the workbook of Unit 8. Okay? I wish that you have a wonderful time with me today. Time to say goodbye. Goodbye, class, and take care.